In this screencast, we will demonstrate the grading workflow and non-grading workflow to assign content to learners with Blackboard Ultra. Let's start with the grading workflow. After logging into Blackboard, please navigate to the desired class and click on the plus icon to create a new content. Select Content Market from the drop-down menu and select PlayPosit. Click Set Link or enter PlayPosit to launch PlayPosit. Instructors can then click Add New Bob to start building a bob in the Bob Designer, or click on the Blackboard icon in front of the bob to assign the bob to Blackboard. If playlists are included in the license, instructor can also navigate to the playlist page with a sidebar to create a new playlist or assign a playlist. After clicking on the Blackboard icon, please select the learner experience as self-paced learning or synchronized live broadcast, and click Link to assign the bob. Instructors can then click on the triple dot icon behind the assignment to set a due date or adjust the maximum points for this assignment. To view learners' progress, click on the assignment to open it and select the monitor to enter the PlayPosit monitor page. On this page, instructors can see learners' responses to the board interactions and adjust points for learners if needed. After updating learners' grade, please click on Sync Grades to send the updated grades to Blackboard. The second way to assign content to Blackboard is by using the Rich Text Editor. This workflow will not pass back learner's grade to Blackboard, but can use at any place with the Rich Text Editor. After clicking on the plus icon and selecting Create, find the desired format to use and select Add Content. Click on the Insert Content icon on the Rich Text Editor, select Content Market, and find PlayPosit. Click Set Link or enter PlayPosit to launch PlayPosit. Instructor can then click Add New Bob to start building a bob in the Bob Designer, or click on the Blackboard icon in front of the bob to assign the bob to Blackboard. If playlists are included in the license, instructor can also navigate to the playlist page with a sidebar to create a new playlist or assign a playlist. After clicking on the Blackboard icon, please select the learner experience as self-paced learning or synchronized live broadcast, and click Link to assign the bob. There will be a warning message to inform that this workflow does not support grading in Blackboard. Please click on OK to close it. Then please update the display name as needed and click Insert. The assigned content will display in the hyperlink format. Learners can click on it to launch the PlayPosit player and take the bob. To view learners' progress, click on the hyperlink to open it and select the monitor to enter PlayPosit's monitor page. On this page, instructor can see learners' responses to the bob interaction. Please note that this is a non-graded workflow, and the grades on the monitor page will not be sent back to Blackboard.